Good morning, everyone. I'm Pooja Malhotra of Social Science, going to explain the topic about latitude and longitude. As we know that it is a very interesting topic of social science. So, first of all, we are going to explain about what are latitudes and what is the meaning of longitudes. We have lots of question in our minds कि इन लाइंस का मीनिंग क्या होता है, लैटिट्यूड्स क्या होती हैं, लॉन्गिट्यूड्स क्या होती हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए यहाँ मैंने कुछ डायग्राम्स की हेल्प ली है जिससे मैं लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड्स को एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज द मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ। आई ड्रॉ हेयर द ग्लोब। Globe, as we know that the model of earth. So on that globe, here the north pole and south pole. Two poles are very important on our earth. First is north pole and second one is south pole. And there is an equator that is always considered on 0 degree latitude. As we know that our earth is divided into two equal halves, that is northern hemisphere and that is southern hemisphere. Equator always help to divide the earth into two equal halves. Northern part is known as northern hemisphere and southern part is known as southern hemisphere. So this is equator that is on 0 degree latitude, and these are our imaginary lines. Those lines are going on horizontally are known as latitude. These lines are, as we know that, parallel to each other. These lines are parallels to each other. That's why we are calling them parallels of latitude. These latitudes are vertical, horizontally lines, and these are imaginary lines. These lines help to locate the place on the earth or on the globe. So now here we are going to describe about the meridians of longitude. Now what is the meaning of meridians of longitude? This is also the model of earth that we are calling it globe. This is also North Pole and South Pole. Now we are going to explain about the meridian of longitude. These longitude lines are also imaginary lines, and these lines are vertical lines. As we are able to see that in the picture, this is our prime meridian line. Prime meridian line is assumed in the Greenwich near London, that is suitable for the standard time of the earth. We are using it for the measuring the time, right? So prime meridian, what is the work of prime meridian? Prime meridian work is it divide the earth also into two equal parts, that is eastern part and western part. It divides the earth into two equal halves, eastern part and western part. So our longitudes are running toward the north pole to south pole. These are also parallels to each other, north pole to south pole. So these lines are known as meridians of longitude. So as we know that equator divides the earth into two equal halves that divide the earth into, this is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and prime meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern part and western part. Now if we are going to talk about that heat zones of the earth, these are very important zone of the earth. Okay. What is the meaning of heat zone of the earth? This is also again the picture of heat zone of the earth. Now again I draw the globe here, the model of earth. This is equator, always assume on the 0 degree, and this is our latitude lines. Now heat zones are divided into three parts. This is tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay, so what is the meaning of tropical zone here? That zone lies near the equator known as tropical zone. What is the meaning of tropical zone here? As we know that the sun rays of the rays of the sun directly put on the equator. So this is the part that here we receive the sunlight so much on the earth. Uh, the sunlight of the sun receive here a lot. That's why this is the heat zone of the earth. Heat zone of the earth meaning the tropical zone of the earth. Now this is on 23 degree 1 by 2 degrees south, and if we are talking about the northern hemisphere, it lies between the 23 degree 1 by 2 degree north. So this is the temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer line is on the north part on the 23 1 by 2 degree north, and Tropic of Capricorn lies on the earth 23 1 by 2 degree south. So this part is known as the heat zone as well as the tropical zone. Now we are considered what about the temperate zone. What is the meaning of temperate zone here? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, it lies on the two hemisphere as well. So temperate zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. And this heat zone lies here in the northern hemisphere between the Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle to Tropic of Capricorn. This zone is known as temperate zone. Here the sun rays are slanting. Here we receive the less heat than the tropical zone. If we are going to talk about the frigid zone, now the frigid zone, North Pole and the South Pole, it is lies on the 90 degree. Okay, so we receive the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole, and North Pole to the Arctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degree north, and Antarctic Circle 66 1 by 2 degree south. This zone receive very less amount of heat of the sun. We can say that here we can get the ice, a lot of ice in this zone, like freeze. That is why we known as it frigid zone in the southern hemisphere as well as in the northern hemisphere. So in this video, students, I explain about the parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude and the heat zones of the earth. Hopefully it will be explained by me and understand by you. So all of you, bye, see you again, bye.